Alright guys, today we're checking out something super budget friendly, the EVM 128GB SD. This thing costs around our 738s, which sounds like a steal for an SDSD. But is it actually worth it? Or is it one of those too good to be true deals? I'll unbox it, test it out, do a real world file transfer, and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get into it. So, the packaging is basic but clean, no fancy branding here. Inside, we get just the SSD, no extras, but honestly, for this price, I wasn't expecting anything fancy. It's lightweight, has a minimal design, and overall feels solid. Now, let's talk about what EVM claims this ST can do. Here's what we're looking at. 128GB storage, probably around 110K usable. Up to 550 ms write speed. Up to 500 ms write speed, we'll test that. SATA 3.0 interface. 5-year warranty. Sounds good, but let's be real. Numbers on paper don't always match reality. So let's plug it in and see what happens. I'm not installing this just yet. First, I'll test it with a USB 3.0 to SATA adapter. This way, I can quickly check its performance before committing to an upgrade. Now, for a simple real-world test, I'm moving an 11 8GB file to this SSD. Let's see the speed. Okay, so we're getting around 38 memes to 39 Ms. That's not great. I was hoping for at least 100 ms, but maybe it's just because we're using a USB adapter. Still, for an SSD that claims 500 ms write speed, this is a bit disappointing. So, here's what we got. Read speed, close to 550 ms, good. Write speed, around 100 ms to 150 ms, way below the claimed 500 ms. The RAID speed is decent, so your Windows boot times and app loading should be fast, but that write speed, yeah, it's not great if you need to move large files frequently. Alright, let's break this down. Pros. Super cheap, R738 for an SSD, crazy. Fast boot times, decent read speed. 5-year warranty, nice for peace of mind. Cons. Write speed is way lower than advertised. Not great for big file transfers. Brand isn't well known, so reliability is a question mark. So, should you buy it? If you just need an SSD for Windows booting or basic tasks, this is a solid budget upgrade. But if you're expecting high-speed file transfers, you'll probably be disappointed. For me, I'd say it's okay for the price, but I wouldn't use it as my main storage. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you want to check it out, I'll drop a purchase link in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you love no-nonsense tech reviews, consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see you in the next one, peace.